How to make money on YouTube in 2023. Have you ever thought about turning your YouTube hobby into a money-making powerhouse? If the answer is a resounding yes, then buckle up, because we're about to navigate the exciting world of YouTube monetization. This isn't just a guide. It's your treasure map, uncovering the hidden gold mines of YouTube revenue. From turning on ads to creating a community of dedicated members, we're going to explore it all. And while we're at it, we might just debunk a few misconceptions and unveil some little-known secrets that could revolutionize your YouTube journey. You may ask, why should I stay? Well, let's just say that sticking around will take you a few steps closer to turning your YouTube dreams into reality. So are you ready to uncover the secrets of YouTube monetization? Let's dive in. YouTube Partner Program. Firstly, one of the most common ways of making money on YouTube is through the YouTube Partner Program. This program allows creators to monetize their channels with ads. As a creator, you are paid a certain amount of money based on the number of views your ads generate, the type of ad, and other factors. The specifics may change over time, but the basic premise remains the same. Before you can apply to the YouTube Partner Program, there are certain eligibility requirements. As of 2023, your channel must have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months. You must also comply with all of YouTube's policies and guidelines. Once you reach these thresholds, you can apply to join the partner program. After you're approved, ads can be shown on your videos and you will earn a portion of the revenue generated. Creating engaging, high-quality content is crucial to gaining more subscribers and increasing your watch hours. It's essential to understanding your target audience, their interests, and the types of content they enjoy. A deeper understanding of your audience will enable you to create more engaging content that will keep them watching for longer periods of time, thereby increasing your potential ad revenue. Keep in mind that not all ads pay the same rate. Skippable video ads generally pay more than display ads. Channel memberships. Secondly, another very lucrative way to earn money on YouTube is through channel memberships. Channel memberships allow your viewers to join your channel through monthly payments. In return, they receive badges, new emojis, and other perks. These memberships provide creators with a steady income stream, as they're less dependent on ad revenue and views. The key to a successful membership program lies in offering valuable perks to your subscribers. These could range from exclusive live chats, early access to new videos, or even behind-the-scenes footage. The more exclusive and attractive the benefits, the more likely viewers are to join your channel's membership. It's also important to actively engage with your channel members, as this helps foster a sense of community. Responding to their comments, asking for their input on upcoming content, or hosting members-only live chats can significantly boost your membership numbers. Remember, offering a membership doesn't mean you should neglect your regular viewers. Continue to create quality content for all your subscribers, and consider memberships as a supplementary offering. Merchandising. Lastly, merchandising is an excellent way to monetize your YouTube channel. By selling merchandise such as t-shirts, mugs, posters, or any other product that aligns with your brand, you can earn additional income. This method works especially well if you have built a loyal audience base that identifies with your brand and would love to own a piece of it. Setting up a merchandise shelf on your YouTube channel can boost visibility and increase sales. Be sure to align your merchandise with your brand and audience interests. For example, if your channel focuses on fitness, you might consider selling fitness equipment or clothing. Always ensure that your merchandise is of high quality, as this reflects on your brand's image. Promote your merchandise in your video, but do so subtly and naturally. Overly salesy pitches can turn off your audience. You could wear your merch while filming, or use your products in your videos. Also, consider creating limited edition items or offering discounts to your channel members, which can create exclusivity and urgency, encouraging more purchases. Sponsored videos. Sponsored videos are a popular way for YouTube creators to earn money. In this method, companies pay creators to promote their products or services in their videos. It's a win-win situation where the company gets publicity and the creator gets compensated. This approach, however, requires careful handling. Transparency is key. Always disclose sponsorships to your audience and ensure that the products or services you promote align with your channel's ethos and your audience's interests. Before you can attract sponsors, your channel needs to have a significant number of subscribers and consistent viewer engagement. Companies want to be sure that their products will be seen by many eyes, so the bigger and more engaged your audience, the better. Also, your content quality matters. High-quality content can attract high-quality sponsors. When negotiating sponsorships, ensure that the terms are clear and beneficial to both parties. Do not undervalue your work. Set a fair price for your effort and the exposure the sponsor will get. Additionally, aim to build long-term relationships with sponsors. This not only provides a steady income stream, but also builds credibility with your audience as you promote brands you believe in over time. Crowdfunding. The fifth method is crowdfunding. Crowdfunding can be an excellent way for creators to finance their projects or their channels overall. Platforms like Patreon, Kickstarter, and GoFundMe allow creators to receive direct financial support from their their audience. Fans who love your content and want to see more can pledge a certain amount of money on a recurring basis or per piece of content. A successful crowdfunding campaign is all about providing value and creating a strong community. You could offer exclusive content, merchandise, or other rewards to your patrons to thank them for their support. Keep in mind that your patrons are supporting you because they value your work, so it's important to deliver on your promises and maintain open, honest communication. Ensure you set realistic goals for your crowdfunding campaign. Your audience needs to understand where their money is going, whether it's to improve production quality, hire additional staff, or produce more frequent content. Transparency builds trust, and trust is essential in a successful crowdfunding campaign. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing can be another incredibly profitable method to monetize your YouTube channel. In this approach, you partner with a company and promote their products or services through your videos. When someone uses your unique affiliate link to purchase the product or service you recommend, you earn a commission from the sale. Creating affiliate marketing content requires a tactful approach. Your video content should always add value to your viewers, rather than just serving as a sales pitch. The product or service you promote should be something you genuinely believe in and find useful, so your promotion feels authentic and resonates with your audience. Create compelling content around the product or service. A tutorial, review, or demonstration of the product can provide value to your viewers and inspire them to make a purchase using your affiliate link. Always disclose your affiliate partnership to maintain transparency with your audience. An effective strategy for affiliate marketing on YouTube is to choose products or services that align with your channel's niche. For example, if you run a tech review channel, partnering with tech companies for affiliate marketing can generate substantial income. You can sign up for affiliate programs directly through a company's website or through affiliate networks that host multiple affiliate programs. Ensure that you understand the terms and conditions of the affiliate program, particularly the commission rates and payment methods. Online courses and webinars. Online education is a booming industry, and YouTube is a fantastic platform to sell online courses and webinars. If you are an expert in a specific field, you can package your knowledge into a course and sell it to your subscribers. This method offers the benefit of creating a passive income stream, as once your course is created and uploaded, it can generate revenue with little to no maintenance. To begin with, identify a topic that you are knowledgeable about and that your audience is interested in. The subject should be relevant to your channel's content and should address a problem or need that your viewers have. For example, if you run a photography channel, you might create a course about advanced photography techniques or photo editing. Use your videos to provide snippets of useful information and then direct your viewers to your full course for more in-depth learning. When creating your online course, focus on delivering real value. The content should be comprehensive, well-structured, and easy to understand. You can host your course on platforms like Teachable or Udemy, or on your own website if you have one. Promote your course through your YouTube videos, but remember to do so subtly. A hard sales approach can be off-putting for your viewers. Webinars are another way to share your knowledge and expertise. You can host live sessions on a topic of interest, offering in-depth insights and interactive Q&A sessions. You can charge for webinar attendance or offer it for free to drive traffic to your other paid offerings. Well, making money on YouTube in 2023 boils down to creativity, engaging with your audience, and providing value. Whether it's through ad revenue, channel memberships, or merchandise sales, the possibilities are numerous and ever-evolving. However, it's important to remember that each of these methods requires time, effort, and patience. Success on YouTube doesn't happen overnight, but with consistent effort and a strategic approach, it's definitely within reach. Thanks for tuning in today. Stay creative, stay patient, and remember, your YouTube success story is just around the corner.